So let's go and look at this challenge question, guys. This is a grade 11, grade 12 question. As you can see there on the screen, we've got a function question, of which this is it. We've got two graphs there, well drawn, parabola and exponential. So they say this is the information we're given. It's so important to understand what exactly are you given. So let's go through and see how we can work out some question below. They say in the diagram below, you are given f of x, the equation, and g of x, the equation. Point D, which is the turning point. It's so important to know that. This is the turning point. Turning point where you've got your P and Q. Points A and C are the x-intercepts. Points A and C are the x-intercepts of F and G. As you can see, here's A, here's C. These are the x-intercepts of F and G. Point B is the y-intercept of G. Here's point B. And point O is the y-intercept of parabola, as you can see there. So they want us to calculate the area of AO triangle AOD, which is this one, which is this AOD should be this one. Just here. So the triangle of this the area of this triangle. So this is where we can use this. We can construct the line, the height. We can construct the height here, which will be perpendicular to the base there, base AO. So the height will be perpendicular there. So we would need to calculate the length of the height, which the length of the height here will be given by QV. The length of the height will be given by Q there. That's what we need to do. So it's like we need to get the turning point P and Q. We need to get P and Q. So in grade 11, I'm going to show this one. In grade 11, you're going to use to find P and Q. In grade 11, you're going to use f of x as to say x equals to negative b over 2a. This you'll say negative, where there's b, you'll substitute by negative 4 2a, where there's a by negative 1. So we can tell that there p will be negative 2. So we need to find f of negative 2, meaning that where there's x here, we need to replace by negative 2, like so. For your negative 2. Then from there we can look for our calculator to find the answer. And here is our calculator. So going to have negative into negative 2 square plus 4. Not plus 4, but plus 8. So there will be 4. So if you have 4, 4 will be the length of the height there. This is 4. And that 4, it's the height. The 4 will be the height. Then after that, I said in grade 11, let's move on to grade 12. How would you do? You would have to differentiate f of x to find x value. You would differentiate once to get 2x minus 4. And this to solve, you would say negative 2x equals to positive 4. X at last be negative 2. So once again, x is negative 2, then f of negative 2 would definitely be 4. Then your turning point would be negative 2 and 4. And you would conclude that the height is 4 units. So we're left with this. We need to find the length of of AO. And to find the length of AO, that should be easy. What we need to do, we would need to calculate the x-intercept. The x-intercept, we will need to calculate the x-intercept at O, where y is 0. So let's go back. Let's go back where let's go back and take the f of x equation. We'll say f of x, which is f of x equals to negative x squared minus 4x. Of this, we need to solve. We'll equate to 0 and say x squared plus 4x. That should be 0. We're going to have x into x plus 4 equals to 0. X will be 0, or x will be negative 4. So that negative 4 is the x value at A, meaning that the length of AO will be 4 units. Whilst the length of the height will be 4 units. So of this, then the area will be half base times height. We remember that. So we come here, we say, okay, area triangle AOD, that should be half base times height. So half the base there is 4 and the height is 4. So this is 8 units. 8 units squared. And that's the answer for 6 marks for one to do all this. That was very, very nice. You had to remember how to find the turning point, how to find the how to calculate the x-intercepts, and also the formula to calculate the area. The formula to calculate the area. So it was very nice question, guys. I believe you've enjoyed this question. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment, share amongst your friends, and until we meet next time, guys, bye.